Your mind is a powerful thing, and when you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Sounds like a bunch of BS, doesn't it? Yeah, I thought so too. Trust me, I am a recovering RBF addict trying to work on getting rid of it and putting on a beautiful positive face at all times. And I know it is not easy, but I'm going to help you with a few things that will truly change the trajectory of your life. Welcome back to our journey of self-discovery and growth. Today, we're delving into the essence of transforming your mindset, unlocking the secrets to a life filled with purpose, passion, and presence. Picture this, a life where every moment is infused with magic, where challenges become opportunities, and where your dreams are not just aspirations, but tangible realities. It all begins with two little powerful concepts, and we're going to talk about them today. All right, are you ready for the two easy things? These two things have truly changed my entire mindset, and that's where everything seriously begins. Romanticizing your life and embracing the art of being present. I know it sounds simple. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but listen to me, hear me out. Here we go. So what we are going to do today is explore how romanticizing your life isn't just about escaping reality, but rather about infusing every little experience with a sense of wonder and possibility. And then we're going to dive into the transformative practice of being present, a state where the past fades and the future melts away, leaving you with the richness of now. All right, let's explore how these simple ideas can have a profound effect on your journey of self-development and really being able to rewire your mindset. I know it's not easy. Listen, I know it is not easy. And when people are just like, oh, just have a positive attitude, I used to just be like, get away, go away, go away. But I am here to tell you that it can be done and it is life-changing. So number one is to really be present in the moment. The power of presence. I want to tell a quick story to tell you how I was actually able to realize this phenomenon, because I know people talk about it all the time and they're like, be present in the moment. And I don't know. I was always skeptical about it, because I'm like, come on, really easier said than done. But talking about it all the time and really getting into it and understanding it are two very different things. So the other night, Friday night, we were sitting outside on our lanai with my two little ones, a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old, and watching a movie. It's kind of a typical Friday night thing for us around here. We were watching Little Rascals. So cute. If you haven't seen it, definitely watch it. And I really first decided that the importance of putting my phone in the other room was something that could really change the game. I always wanted to adopt this habit, but I haven't been very serious about following through. I do all my business on it and lots of social media, and I like to capture these moments all the time, like funny things and great things that my kids do, my husband, and all the things. But it really helped me to really take in everything and not focus on that damn thing. So let me have that as tip number one for being present in the moment. Get rid of your freaking phone. Put it down, especially when you're enjoying time with loved ones or anyone, business, people, whatever it is. So I literally, in that moment, just stared at my girls as they just were being themselves, taking in the funny moments of the movie, their laughter, their truly beautiful little faces, their smiles, their contentment. It was so magnificent. And I just stopped to realize how lucky we really are to have these two little miracles who are healthy and growing and making us laugh and smile every single day. I really wanted to just feel super thankful in that moment, and I consciously wanted to remember it, maybe write it down so that I wouldn't forget that moment. And it was so simple, but it was just wonderful. And I remembered it enough, at least, to tell you here about that story. It's not a huge, grandiose thing, but it's just a simple moment. And taking in those things really helps you to magnify that gratitude in your life so that you will bring more of it to you. In that moment of clarity, I really realized the true power of presence, the ability to just find peace, joy, and fulfillment in the simplest of moments, to savor the beauty of life. as it unfolds before our very eyes. So how can you achieve this state of presence in your own life? It starts with a conscious effort to really slow down and let go of the constant chatter of the mind and tune into the real rhythm of the present moment. Take it in, take in nature, whether it's through mindfulness practice like meditation or simply just taking time to appreciate the beauty around you. Go outside and find presence. It is a journey that is truly worth embarking on. So as we dive deeper into this exploration, remember that presence isn't just a destination, it's really a way of life, and it's a choice that we make each and every day to show up fully and authentically into the world. All right, a few things that you can really do to make sure that you are taking in the present moment is some mindful breathing. Take a few deep breaths, focus on the sensation of the air entering your lungs and leaving your body. And the fact that you get to take in some clean, beautiful air, not everyone in this world is blessed with something like that. Savoring, slow down, and fully experience the good moments of life, whether it's a delicious meal or a beautiful sunset. And single tasking, focus on one task at a time and really give it your full attention. We're not actually meant to really multitask, maybe task stacking, but that is a topic for another video. But focusing on one task at a time can really help you to give it your full attention. All right, step number 2. This is really simple actually, and that is romanticizing everything in your life. Romanticizing the good things means appreciating and celebrating the small everyday moments that bring you joy. So when you romanticize the good, you are definitely more likely to experience that happiness, the gratitude, and the resilience to unfuck your mind. I'm not going to say the word, it's a bad word. Anyway, you'll also find it easier to overcome the challenges and really just give everything a positive outlook. It does not come naturally to me, so it is something that I have to work on all the time. But this is something that I have been doing for a little bit now, and it has helped tremendously, just romanticizing those little things in life that can be just mundane and things that you don't look forward to. For example, I talked about this in my last video, but I got these little shower steamers, and when I take a shower now, I really make it a true spa experience. If you are able to journal in the morning, do some gratitude journaling, I do that every single day. Just write down 3 things that you are grateful for, and then you will continually keep on bringing in more things to be grateful for. It is the power of the universe. Imagine your ideal day. You can do some visualization and imagine your day being filled with happiness and joy, and maybe do some affirmations in the mirror. I mean, it sounds weird, but trust me, it's going to make a huge difference. And romanticizing life really isn't just about these grand gestures. It's about finding joy in the small moments, appreciating what you have, and cultivating happiness from within. You really need to forget about chasing perfection. It's about savoring the beauty of the day-to-day routine, no matter how ordinary it may seem. All right, some of the simple little things that you can do to romanticize your life is incorporating activities like making an effort to go out and watch the sunrise or the sunset and just look at the beauty that God has created. You could go on solo dates. This is something that I have been incorporating because you know what? I am very blessed and lucky to be able to go on a solo date, having 2 kids, running my own business, and I appreciate it for all of the wonderful things that it is. Back when I was single, I probably wouldn't have had so much appreciation for it, but now being able to have a solo date, just take myself out to lunch or dinner is it's just mind-blowing how amazing it is. And that is romanticizing the little things. The other day I had to clean, my mom has an Airbnb and she's out of town, so I had to clean it for her. I do that from time to time. Did I want to go deep clean a house and get it ready for the next guest? Hell no. But you know what I did? I got my headphones, I put my beats on and listened to some music that I haven't listened to for a really long time. And I loved it, didn't want to leave. Again, this is another time when I was grateful enough to just have some me time and schedule that in somehow. That's something like a morning routine and starting your day off on your own terms, all of those things. But like, I didn't want to stop. And I was so productive because I was listening to music that I loved. And I truly loved it. Music is going to be your best friend when it comes to romanticizing everything in your life. Make it a point to make playlists for every single thing so that you can just set yourself up for success, like studying. I mean, if it makes sense to you to have pretty pens, like I like to have my pretty pens, my little gel pens, and write on my note cards and just like write in really neat handwriting, or make my planner look lovely. Do I love planning for the week? No, but when I make it pretty and aesthetic, it's something that I get really excited about. So these are little things that you can add to those mundane things that are not super exciting to make them just so much better. By embracing the present moment and really romanticizing your life, all of the things, the good things, even the things that you don't love so much, can truly transform your life. I am living proof. People who know me know that I am the girl with the RBF, but I am working on turning that around every single day. This is mindset work that we truly need to work on at all times. And we need these subtle reminders as well. So thank you for watching, and thank you for coming on this self-development journey with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure that you subscribe, hit that the bell so that you always get the next video from me. I will have another one next week. And if you would like some more tips on how to really change your mindset, check out this video right here. Remember, your thoughts shape your world. I suggest writing that down. Put it on your screensaver. It'll help. All right, till next time.